Hi, how would you like to know how I made $41,704.41 in the last 30 days using a little-known Facebook loophole that 99.99% of people don't know exists? Want proof? Have a look at one of my online accounts. And if you stick around till the end of this video, I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest, and most profitable method that I know to exact huge sums of cash every single day. And I'll show you how I automated the entire system into 3 simple steps. So literally anyone, regardless of their age, experience, skills, or gender can copy it and profit from it. Is it even possible to make money on the internet? You see, I've lost more than $10,734, most of my savings, due to inexperienced, amateurish mistakes. Yes, I was that stupid. If you're just getting started or have been online for a few months, here's the real problems that no one tells you about making money online, purposefully, so gurus can keep selling you more stuff. Making money online actually is super complicated. Learn 99 different types of funnels to sell one damn thing. You need technical skills, setting up domain, hosting, setting up website, setting up autoresponder. Huge learning curve, copywriting, email copy, ads. Need upfront investment, page builder, autoresponder, buy traffic and ads, hosting. Hard to get results. Too many moving parts involved. You get one thing wrong, one link wrong, one copy wrong, and your whole campaign is a waste of time and money. Just to promote one offer, it would suck your life, your energy, your brain, and that's even before you start driving traffic to your offers. That's why over 96% of newbies quit, even before they make their first money online. I struggled for months, invested thousands of dollars buying useless courses and softwares and high-ticket offers before I finally figured it out. And I had enough of it. So with everything I'd learned and seen so far, and with my background in software development, I decided to build my own system and make it much, much easier, simpler, faster, and profitable than any other guru system or method out there online. I combined my secret Facebook loophole method with all my knowledge in internet marketing and mapped out a software plan. It took me 3 months to code the first usable version, and here's the results I got after using it for my first month. After a few months of testing, bug fixing, I rolled out another version 2.0. See the results below. It changed my life. But it was far from over yet. My goal was to make this system so simple, so easy, that even an 11-year-old kid can use it. I removed all the moving parts that would stop anyone from succeeding online. No domain, no hosting needed. No autoresponder needed. No page builders needed. No traffic needed. No learning curve. No tech skills needed, no copy skills needed, no investment needed. Anyone can generate commissions 24/7. Needs just 15 minutes per campaign. Gets results in less than 24 hours. Works in any niche, any industry, any language. Scale it to as much as you need. And then turn it into a long-term, reliable, consistent, and predictable income source. Here's my results for the last 7 days. Imagine waking up to $100, $200, $500 in your account. What difference would that make in your life? Get out of your debt, take that family vacation, follow your passion, buy that expensive gift for your spouse, help the needy and less privileged ones. Introducing Easiest Commissions Ever. The easiest, fastest, and most profitable way to extract huge commissions on demand in 2021 and beyond. You can start generating commissions with Easiest Commissions Ever in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Generate your link. Simply log into our cloud-based app and where you want to send your visitors. Click and generate your special link. Step 2. Activate and collect. Activate the system. Generate boatloads of traffic using our secret Facebook loophole trick and turn everyone who clicks this link into your loyal subscriber. Step 3. Automated commissions 24/7. Our system will automatically follow up with every subscriber you collect and turn them into sales and commissions without you having to do anything. Or you can even create your own custom campaigns. Once you activate the Easiest Commissions Ever software, you'll be able to sell anything you want effortlessly. Even if you had no previous experience, no selling skills, and have miserably failed in the past to even make a single sale online. Now you might be wondering, how much does it cost? We plan to sell Easiest Commissions Ever for at least $297, and it would still be a great steal. But I was where you are right now, at some point or another. And without someone reaching a helping hand out to me, I would have never been able to achieve such success. Also, I want to collect as many success stories as I can during this initial launch period, so I can share them with the world and sell Easiest Commissions Ever at its original price after launch. So, Only during this special launch period, I'm going to give access to easiest commissions ever for a super low one-time price. However, once the launch period is over, for example, in a couple of days, the price will go back to $297, and no one else will be able to get in for that special launch price. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our Steal My Product 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase within 60 days of buying easiest commissions ever, we'll refund 100% of your money, no questions asked, and you can still keep our product and enjoy all the benefits. We'll not even revoke your access. However, we are sure that you'll love easiest commissions ever so much and see the value in it that you won't ask for a refund. This is your chance to get out of your difficult 9-to-5 paycheck-to-paycheck life and stepping into a world of wealth and freedom. I've done everything to make sure you feel confident and safe to invest in easiest commissions ever. Now it's your turn. You've seen the results. You've seen the value you're getting inside. All of our fast action bonuses, our Steal My Product guarantee, all together for a low one-time price of less than a price of pepperoni pizza. But you have to take that first step. Go to any button on this page and get started. You'll instantly get access to our system, and in just a few minutes, you'll have everything set up to start making you easiest commissions ever. The choice is yours. Click the cool-looking Buy button below and get in now. Thank you. See you inside.